I don't feel too good.
Really?
That little walk he did from here to there, that's how I walk when I gotta take a dump. Oh, don't do that. Put that away. Why does he have a golden gun? Okay. How do I slow down?
No need.
Slow up.
What the f- God damn! I'm already doing so bad.
Well, are we going inside?
Yes, give me a goddamn minute. Stop doing that, John.
God damn it! Here we are.
Shit.
Damn, he's seen it. Come on, don't lose him.
Wait, my goddamn horse is still over there. You didn't tell me we were gonna have to chase after him.
I'm getting after him. Catch
What
me
the
up.
fuck, horse? Hey, get over here.
Come on. If we can take him alive, good. If not, smoke the sons of bitches.
Can you imagine living in this time? Like when they just went out and started just shooting people? Like, let's do it. Oh, shit! Bad idea.
Yes, if the men get caught out in that storm, they're gonna die.
And if we lose our herd, we'll all die, you stupid man.
Doesn't sound like we're left with much of a choice then. Come on, Amos. Round up your men. Let's get the herd.
Dang.
Oh, there.
Whoa there.
Move, dog! Move, man! Oh my
That
god!
don't look good. This is getting nasty. It's getting harder to see anything.
Go, you stupid cow!
Left.
Dumbass cows.
There's spooks. We have to stop them stampeding. Do something. They're heading for the cliff.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
Is still running? Hey! No!
Yeah. Keep it moving.
Hey, you dumb cat!
Let's go.
Fuck.
Let's go.
I'm trying to save you guys! Except for that one.
Let's move here, my four-legged friend.
Good work. I thought
Oh my
we were
God!
all. Now let's round up those stragglers.
Dumbass cows!
Get going. Come on.
This ain't working.
God damn it, John! No!
Come on then, partner.
What are you doing? Where's my horse? Why does dumbass horse always gotta be halfway across the map when it's time to do something? Get over here, dum-dums!
Go.
I keep moving. Whoa!
All right.
Alright, what do you want me to do?
Lead them away from the shack and out of sight. Somewhere out past that hill.
Wait, what? Okay.
Get that slippery bastard! I need him alive, though! What's this got
Yeah.
to do with you?
You had one job! One job, Seth!
Just leave me alone!
Oh my god, why is he so fast? Stop right there, motherfucker! Where is that goddamn horse again? Why do you keep doing this? Oh, wait. Hang on, horse. Never mind, I'm not ready. Fucking... Oh. Are you kidding me?
Now you dumb bastard.
Go up the thing. No, go. Get out of your bush. And get out of the... Damn it. Go up the thing. I'm sick of these fucking birds. Where did dumbass horse go?
Hey, you!
Whoa! Wait! What did I do? I thought y'all wanted help. Fucking just blast the shit out of me. Yeah, I'm getting good.
Yeah.
There's a whole bunch of them. I'm sick of these stupid birds. Fucking birds! Stupid birds, go away! Stop aiming for the birds, John! Wow, I shot that guy right in the ass. It's like a roller coaster. Oh shit! Too much like a roller coaster. Too much. Too fast. I don't like this. Shoot his head off. Oh fuck. Hell yeah! Tony Hawk! Let's go, boys.
What the hell? It's a trap! No, John! No! There's a nightmare!
Nice! Let's go! Send out more of them, baby! Let's fucking go! Woo! Awesome! Let's fuck some shit up, boys! Where are they?
These scoundrels have got reinforcements riding this way!
Oh my good Lord above! There must be 100 of them!
Oh shit.
Let's finish them!
Alright, let's do it. You wanna do this? Huh? Let's mow these sons of bitches down! Let's go! What you got, bitches? What you got? Let's fucking go! What a motherfucking Gatling gun! I don't give a shit right now! Turn and burn, Johnny! Turn and burn! Woo! Oh shit! I'm not sure if Arthur would be mad or proud.
Here.
Step in front of a runaway train.
Hang on, I don't mean to ruin that moment. I don't know where I'm going.
The birds around here are always raising hell. Test. While doing
Birds?
public
Oh,
service for
shit.
good people.
Woo! Oh, motherfucker, there goes another one. Yeah! Piece of shit. Oh, hey, where'd it go? Sorry. I like shooting them birds. There's another one! Fucking. My fucking pleasure.
Come on!
Oh shit.
Let's go!
Leave that bear alone. Oh shit! Oh, there's 3 of them! Oh my god! I wanted to save that bear. I thought that guy was just killing him and I got fucking attacked by 3. What the fuck? That came out of nowhere. Oh shit. Fucking bears.